And then, so every day you can use this one regularly. Ayan. So regular you use the skincare so you can see the better result on you. If this one for you is very effective, so you can try and you can see, and you just continue using this kind of product. It's very like a organics, because I'm using this one already for almost 2019, this product. And then last Sunday I meet this group, the Atomy group from here, because I always look at the store, where is the store, because my husband told me that you can look the store so you can order your skincare. Yeah, but it's not easy, you know, because I don't know where in Hong Kong this product, and somebody helped us to me. I ordered, so she helped me, the Chinese employee from this company, and then I ordered, and also Jenny, she ordered also, so we ordered together by her name, my friend, and then the delivery is here in the house. So this is my product. So I'm never starting to using, so I very mess this product. Oh my god. Pero guys, ang hirap siyang syempre nakakapagod sa work, diba? Tapos mag-skincare pa tayo bago tayo matulog, pagod na. O, diba? Hello, Janeline Magdayaw. Hi, how are you? Good evening, everyone. Hi, Mercy Mendoza. Hi, Zoleta. Hi, how are you po? Hi, Shell. How are you? Hi, Grace. How are you? Hi, good evening. Hi. Ayan, guys. So, maraming nanonood sa akin sa live. Tapos, meron sila, guys, nung Sunday, meron silang binigay na parang pad. Ayan, halimbawa, meron din silang pad, guys, parang, kumbaga sa pag masakit yung mga shoulder mo, yung muscles. So, ikakat mo lang siya ng small pieces, tapos ididikit mo siya kung saan yung part na masakit. So, malamig siya na mainit. So, ganito siya, guys, parang yung salumpas. Oh, may amoy. May amoy siya, guys. Ayan. So, yung first Sunday night, so nagamit ako dito ko nilagay sa my hips kasi na, diba, pag nag-exercise ako, I'm doing the exercise, so minsan medyo masakit yung mga muscles. So, naglagay ako, guys, ng cup. Maliit lang. So, I put it here, left and right. I sleep well. This one, you can help you to sleep also. If you want to sleep well, so just cut a little bit here, and you just put on anywhere on the body is okay. You just cut a little bit, to small cut, and just put anywhere. So you just sleep well, guys. It's very good, and it's cold and hot, guys. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah. This is made from Korea. Ayan. This is made from Korea, guys. Ayan. This is the enteral oil patch. Ayan. O, tapos binigyan din kami ng sample ng brightening mask. Ayan. So, libre lang to, guys, ng Sunday. So, hindi naman sila kompleto yung binigay nilang ano. So, nag-order kami ni Jenny ng peeling off mask, and then peeling gel, and the UV sunscreen cream. Pero medyo maliit lang siya, guys. Ayan. Kasi pang mukha lang naman eh. Sa mukha ko lang naman to ilalagay yung cream na to. Even kahit na hindi siya mainit, like kahit na winter. Kasi yung ilaw, guys, itong light, mainit din yan. Tapos, mainit din, guys, pag nagluluto tayo. So, kailangan natin even with cooking in the kitchen, the stove is very hot, you know, while you cooking. So, you need to apply the sunscreen on your face. Kasi kasi medyo mainit yung is a little bit hot the stove while you cooking, very very hot, you know. So before you cooking, so you need to apply the UV sunscreen protections to your face, so it's not burning of your face. Ayan, para hindi siya ma-burn, ganun. Ganun siya, guys. So if you wanna order or you wanna more details about this product, so you just comment on the sections below on this vlog and on my live, so I can answer you guys. And if you wanna try this product, guys, so you just message me directly on my messenger or message me on the sections below, so I can accommodate you guys. Ayan, kung gusto nyo i-try, if you wanna try this product, so just ask me. Yan, ganun siya, guys. Kasi na-try ko na siya. I tried this already. I telling you, this is very good and very safe. It's not to harm you, and it's not really like smelly. Hindi siya masyadong maamoy. It's not really smelly and good. And this product is very safe on you. It's very healthy. And they have the vitamins. They have different kind of vitamins, and then they have the toothpaste. It's good also. They have the serum. Yeah, marami sila, guys, na product, so you can try and you can order. They have lipstick, guys, and BB cream also. They have a BB cream here. This one, I show you the brochure. Yeah, if you can see. They have lipstick here. Yeah, so I can order you guys if you want, so just comment here. Pero kung medyo malayo, you are not part in Hong Kong, I think you need to the charge of the delivery. Ayon. Delivery. My God. Ganun yan siya, guys. Ayan. At meron din siyang powder cream. Ayan. Powder cream ba to? But I've never used a powder cream because I never use any powder or yung pulbo, yung powder. Kasi ako, kontento na ako dun sa enough for me the moisturize or whitening cream, and then the sunblock. So I've never put any powder or cream on my face, like powder cream or something. Ayan. Very, very good. Ayan. So, you try nyo na, guys. Mag-comment na kayo dyan sa comment section below, so I can accommodate you guys. Ayan. So, that's my vlog, guys, for today. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo today. I wanna try this filling gel. I'm excited to try again this filling gel. Ayan. So, I need to scrubbing my face. Ganyan. So, before I go to sleep. And then I wanna try the peeling off. Ayan. So after the peeling gel, so I wanna try the peeling off, guys. So I'm very messed to using this product again. Ayan. And then tomorrow, if I woke up after the skincare again, so I wanna use the UV cream before I go to the kitchen for cooking. Oh, ganon. Ayon. So, we can see as the better result of my face. Ayan. But, nag-start ako nung kasi nga na-miss ko, guys. Kasi the last time, if you remember, guys, my video there, I go to the lesser my dark spot here. The dark spot here. If you remember, guys, the dark spot here. Ayan. Ayan. So, siya. So, nag-lightening na, guys, yung aking dark. Ayan. So, nag-light na siya. So, hindi na siya masyadong maitim yung aking dark. So, ito lang yung dark ko, guys, yung kabilaan. So, I tried the filling gel for scrubbing my face. Kasi ito, guys, yung after the laser my face, so, ito yung ginamit ko, yung incense oil for the scars. Ayan, if you can see, guys. the oil scars. Para sa scars and moisturize of my face. Ayan ginamit ko guys. So medyo mahal din siya guys. 180 something. I can't remember. Ayan. So after the laser, kasi may mga mark pa siya before. And then after the laser guys, so I buy this one and know what's on it. And I applying my in a part lang ng my dark spot. Ayan, na laser. So medyo nag-okay na siya. If you can see, nakikita nyo guys sa vlog ko. Oh my god. So ayan. So ngayon lang nagka-time mag-vlog. Ayan. So konti na lang guys natitira. Ayan. So sa sobrang dami ko guys ng skincare, yung iba hindi ko na siya magamit. So, kung ano na naman nakita kong bagong dumating, ayan ka na naman. Ayan na naman si try again. Ayan. Ano yung amoy nito? Hindi pa naamoy. Kasi naka-close pa guys. Naka-sealed. Okay. Oh my god. So, this is for Janie. The two. Where is the peeling mask? This is the peeling mask. This is for Jenny. Hi Jenny! Shout out to Jenny from June 1. Ayan, if this is your order, ito yung order mo. Ayan. Pati yung UV cream. Ayan na. Tatlo. So, ito na. So, you just pick up here in the house. Punta ka na dito. para maumpisahan mo na yung natin. Ang iyong maumpisahan mo na iyong beauty effect. I wanna see is what the result. Ayan. Okay. Yan ang kanya yan. Kay Jenny yan. So, this is mine. Ito yung akin guys. Kung gusto nyo rin guys na mag-order, so just comment down below in the section below. Comment section below. Ayan, mali-mali. Ayan, para ma-try nyo rin guys. If you can see, filling off. This filling gel. Ayan. This one guys is made from Korea. Ayan. And this one. Ayan. So, pwede kayo mag-order anytime. So, you can ask me so I can help you guys to order. And, ito yung mga Enza's cream. Sa mukha din yan. Ayan. Ayan, para yan sa mga lining, fine lines, and then the wrinkles. Mag-less man lang yung mga wrinkles natin. Mga lola na tayo, guys. Ayan, so kailangan natin ng mga Enza's cream for your face para hindi tayo magiging mukhang lulang-lula. Alam nyo ba yun? Yung lulang-lula.